Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to produce collagen naturally. We'll explore the essential building blocks your body needs to create this vital protein. You'll learn about specific foods and daily routines that can significantly enhance your body's ability to synthesize collagen. This guide will help you maintain youthful skin, strong joints, and overall well-being through natural methods. Get ready to unlock your body's potential for natural collagen production. Your diet plays a crucial role in natural collagen production. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, so load up on oranges, strawberries, and broccoli. Amino acids, found in protein sources like chicken, fish, and legumes, are the building blocks. Don't forget minerals like zinc and copper, present in nuts, seeds, and whole grains, which act as cofactors in the process. Eating a balanced diet truly supports your body's collagen factory. Beyond diet, your lifestyle significantly impacts collagen levels. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is paramount. Always use sunscreen. Adequate sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate cells, including those producing collagen. Chronic stress can accelerate collagen degradation, so practice relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. These simple habits contribute immensely to maintaining healthy, resilient collagen. While diet and lifestyle are foundational, some people find supplements helpful. Collagen peptides, for example, provide readily available amino acids. Always consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new supplements to your routine to ensure they are right for you. Remember, consistency is key for seeing results. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep your body and your car feeling great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.